2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, compass, power windows, heated front seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.